kids, let's learn to draw 2D shape.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Hexagon,
Above the
hexagon,
so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle,
triangle,
little star, how I wonder what you are.
pie,
When the blazing sun is gone, when nothing shines
heart,
then you show your little light. Twinkle, twinkle all the night. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Twinkle, twinkle,
sun,
little star, how I wonder what you are. Up
oval,
above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky.
let's learn some colors name.
Twinkle,
Pink color,
little star,
red color,
how
yellow color, purple color, light pink color, dark green color, sky blue color, black color, brown color, blue color, peacock green color, orange color, green color. Red color,
twinkle, little star, how I wonder
hexagon,
what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle,
hexagon, red color,
little star, how
blue color,
I wonder what you are.
triangle,
When the blazing
triangle,
sun is gone, when nothing shines upon,
blue color,
then you show your
dark green color,
light. Twinkle, twinkle all the night.
pie,
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
pie, dark green color, sky blue color,
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how
heart,
I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky.
heart, sky blue color,
Twinkle, little
yellow color,
star, how I wonder what you are.
red color,
Twinkle, twinkle, little
sun,
how I wonder what you are.
brown color,
Up
oval, oval, brown color, red color, blue color, dark green color, sky blue color, yellow color, red color, brown color, hexagon, triangle, pie, heart, sun, oval. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.